Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a calendar table in a Power BI. So for creating calendar table in Power BI, I have already opened my Power BI desktop and I have imported one data set, that is dim view, dim SView and fact. So let's create a calendar table in this Power BI. Okay, so for creating this, select on the new table. After selecting on the new table, it's asking about table name. So let's name the table as calendar. Now after writing the name, we will have to use one DAX, that is calendar. There is one inbuilt DAX, that is calendar, and it's asking about a start date and end date. So for a start date and end date, what I will do, I will use minimum of date which is available in our data model. So in my data model we have a fact table. In the fact we have a date column. So in the fact table there is date, so I'm using minimum of date comma max of date from that fact. So here is the date, so I have used minimum to maximum. So it will create a series of date from the minimum of date to maximum of date. So just hit enter. After hitting enter, you can see that this is my calendar table. So I have created this calendar table. Now you can make a relationship between this calendar table to this fact table. Okay, thank you.